You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly this French word for a condition better known in English as trigeminal neuralgia. The French pronunciation here is, and then you'll get to how to pronounce it in English, tic douloureux. Douloureux means painful in French. Tic douloureux. Tic douloureux in English, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can simply say it as tic douloureux. Tic as in TikTok, for example. Tic douloureux. Tic douloureux. Tic douloureux, English pronunciation from French, tic douloureux. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.